In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 1.5 inches margin in Microsoft Word. Adjusting margins is an essential formatting skill that ensures your documents have a clean, professional layout and meet specific guidelines for reports, essays, or official papers. To start, open your Word document. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Margins option. Click on it to see a list of predefined margin sizes, such as normal, narrow, or wide. Since we want a 1.5-inch margin, we need to create a custom setting. Click on Custom Margins at the bottom of the drop-down menu. A Page Setup dialog box will appear with fields for top, bottom, left, and right margins. Enter 1.5 inches for each margin. This ensures that your text is evenly spaced from the edges of the page, giving your document a balanced and readable layout. After entering the values, click OK. Word will automatically apply the new margins to your document. You can immediately see the effect on your text and page layout. If you want to apply these margins to a specific section of your document, highlight the text first before opening the Custom Margins dialog box, and then choose Apply to Selected Text. This is helpful when different sections of your document require different formatting. It's important to note that adjusting margins may slightly affect the flow of your text, so review your document to make sure everything fits neatly within the new layout. Proper margins not only improve readability, but also make your document look professional and polished. Using a 1.5-inch margin is common for formal documents, academic papers, and professional reports. Once you've set it, you can continue writing with confidence, knowing your document meets formatting standards. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.